everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I am obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, and today I am going to be reviewing the Miss Dior du Parfum. Du Parfum. Girl, hold on. You know what?
Say eau de parfum.
Okay, wow, guys, don't judge me. Anyway, I'm American, but this is the type of Miss Dior that I purchased. Let me just say this. There are tons of Miss Diors out there, and the Eau du Parfum is the one that I personally gravitated to the most. Now, there are different types of parfums. I'm so sorry. Please, French culture, I apologize. I respect your culture so much. It's just I don't have the accent down. But this is more of a diluted perfume. I'm just gonna go all American on us and just say perfume. And it's a little more diluted in its fragrance, but I just love the fragrance so much. So in this video, I wanna review this. I wanna spray it on for you guys, and I wanna go through the notes of the fragrance. So let's just get it on with it. So you guys, right now they're having beautiful holiday gift packages for the holidays, but I purchased my perfume at Ulta, and then I got a free gift with it. So that's why I don't have like the special Dior packaging, but I do have this. I did get the 50 milliliter size, and the packaging is, of course, a very light pink, very feminine. It has some detailing on over here, like it's raised, and it's pretty, and it's silver and pink, and it's just so beautiful. And 1.7 fluid ounces. So I'm just gonna pop it open, and I'm gonna show you guys the actual gorgeous bottle. So here is the bottle, and how stunning is this? I know the Miss Dior perfumes have been out for some time, but this is my first interaction with the perfume itself. It is so ladylike. It's got a beautiful bow right here. The packaging is like rectangle, and the top of it here says CD, and it is stunning on a vanity top or anything like that. It's got beautiful decoration. How you use it is you pop it open, and then you just spritz yourself with it right here. So I'm just gonna spritz myself with it on my pressure points on my wrist. So, there it goes. Do you see that? And it's pretty strong in fragrance. You definitely do smell like it a lot, even though they say this is their more diluted perfume. The more diluted the perfume, the less expensive it is. The highest in concentration with perfume, I mean, those are when you're gonna really smell it. And really one spray is gonna do the trick. So I do prefer this to be a little more diluted, because I don't wanna overdo it. In these scents, it's so easy to overdo, and I just don't wanna be that girl where like as soon as you walk into a room, you reek of perfume, you know what I mean? So I do appreciate my perfumes to be somewhat diluted. Let's talk about the notes about this specific scent, because packaging is great, but it's really about how it makes you smell, right? We love cute packaging. I think cute packaging does go a long way with perfumes, because it's like a perfume is a very feminine experience. Let's talk about the details of this specific Miss Dior. It celebrates the modern, confident woman with its feminine and sensual fragrance, combining fresh florals and spicy wood. You guys, my fragrance of choice, the family type, is floral. I love floral scents. That's just my thing. But sometimes floral can be a little too daytime, where sometimes I need to smell a little more sensual, a little more sophisticated. And that is why I chose this specific Miss Dior, because I liked its notes, aside from there being rose in it. So the scent type is warm floral. That I particularly liked. Warm floral is like something that I was looking for. I wanted something a little sweeter in substance, not so rose-like. You know what I mean? Something a little sweeter, something a little spicier, something a little more sensual, which is really what's in the definition. The key notes, the top of the fragrance, is rose. The middle of the fragrance is bergamot, and the base of this fragrance is rosewood. So what I did was I was like, okay, thanks for telling me that, but like, what is rosewood though? Like really, like what is rosewood? Rosewood is a type of tree, actually. It's a very dark type of tree, I believe found in Brazil. And its notes, like when you're working with this wood, is supposed to have like a rose base to it. Banana Republic has a rosewood perfume, but the rosewood is the collective name for several species of wood smelling roses, originating from trees from different genera. Known as Brazilian rosewood, rosewood oil has a rose-like fragrance and is wonderful to perfume, for example, with a cream diffuser, again, giving us that sweet smell. So yes, rosewood is very popular. It's literally farmed all around the world and it's used a lot in fragrance. The next fragrance note I want to talk to you guys about is bergamot. Okay, like what is bergamot though? Like I read it and like, really, like what is it though? It's a type of orange, it's a type of citrus. So I'm just gonna read you a little bit about bergamot so we can be familiar with this also, so you guys can get an idea of what this actually smells like, what it's actually made out of. Bergamot is a subtle, complex fragrance. Sweet, floral, sour, and bitter. Bergamot is highly regarded for its adaptability and is found in many top citrus and fresh fragrance. Here we take a look at the best bergamot perfumes to invest in. And then of course, there's like a bunch of bergamot perfumes that it comes in, and guess what? Surprise, don't miss the Dior line. So that's where we're getting the sweetness. We don't always need to have a vanilla, quote unquote, for a sweet scent. We don't, now I'm not saying it smells like vanilla. Like I'm not saying it's so sweet it's gonna be like cake, because it's definitely not that. It really has like this after note of sweetness. Like at first when you start smelling it, you get the floral hit, and then you get that bergamot like sweetness at the very end. And that's what really attracted me to this fragrance. And I really liked it. As far as how long it lasts, I personally think this perfume can smell very nice all day and fresh all day. I think it's nice that you could get a little spritzers out of it without overdoing it. The thing with perfume though that I want to note, because I am primarily a skincare channel, is perfumes are highly made up of alcohols. So please try to watch where you spray your perfume. Like definitely try not to get it anywhere near your face. It is known to be for the pressure points of your body. Wrist, décolleté, and neck area is where they typically like to apply perfume, which I think is a great idea if you want to get like a rolling, like a roller perfume. I know this comes in a roller form too, for actually it's less expensive, but I do also like to spritz it on my clothes and sometimes like in my hair just to get like a fresh scent. So that's why I prefer a spritzer. I do also want to let you guys know that these perfumes are made in France. Right on the back of the packaging. If you have watched my beauty packaging Federal Drug Administration review, you will know that they are legally required to give the address of where the products are made at. So true to form, it does say made in France, parfum or perfumes, Christian Dior, and then it gives you the address, the 33 Avenue, Hache, and then it gives you Paris, France, www.dior.com right on the back. So we know exactly where this is made, and I think that's just kind of reassuring to women that you are buying a French product, and I think that's what makes us feel so special, because the French are known to be so elegant, so sophisticated, so chic, and smell divine, and that is, I think, what Dior lovers want to embody. So thank you so much, Dior, for making such a beautiful fragrance. I am in love with it, and I hope you guys will be too once you buy it. Again, there are a ton of other Miss Diors. However, I chose this specific one for the sensual, like slightly sweet scent at the very end. You get best of both worlds with this perfume. Everybody, I hope you have a great, fantastic day. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. I really want to know your favorite perfumes, because I know everybody, like, scent is so particular, and it's one of our strongest senses is scent. Odor can take you back to any point in time in your life just by the smell. So I want to know your favorite fragrances and why. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Until then, stay luxe, stay beautiful, stay smelling like a sensual goddess. Love you. Bye.